Nice. Now that I'm a little closer to the ground, I'm gonna use a smaller saw because I really don't want to dull this chain. So I'm gonna use a smaller saw. Still a 42-inch bar. This saw feels like a toy after running that one. I hate this thing.
Push it towards me.
It's alright. We already got the cut started. We can do it with the 42. The bar is just ridiculous. I got my other saw. So I don't know where the tension is gonna be. Let's just grab wedges and just try to get them everywhere.
Okay, you want me to get in there?
Just start at the top, yeah. Thanks, Kevin. Through, buddy.
Yeah, I think so too. I just saw it move.
Go ahead, Brian. Give it a try. Did you max it out? Wow, it didn't even move at all, man. I don't know what to do. We might have to just cut another channel. It is through, it's just wedged. We'll have to cut it in half, I guess. I don't know, dude. I guess, right, just cut this little guy in half again.
Cut another chunk, yeah.
Stop beeping all the time, Brian. Just take it away. Oh! Oh!
Everybody out!
It moved.
Oh, look at that. What do you have in it? There might be still some holding. What's the weight on that shit, Brian? Come down. Up. All right, you're on.